Welcome to my series, 1 month left. And what are we counting down to? You'll just have to follow me to find out. So it's D-31, and today I thought I'd break the mold a little bit, and we're in Shoreditch. I am rarely in this area and I thought I'd try somewhere new today. So come along with me, let's try it together.
How did you find delivering that? Like, so would you chat?
So they were really sweet in there. One of the girls accidentally gave my order to somebody else, and then they offered me a free cookie just to say sorry. So that's really nice. Really nice staff, really lovely space. Just a little bit overstimulated in there. Lots of good music. They had some K-pop, which was cool. But yeah, I just thought I'd have a quiet spot to eat. So let's try and find somewhere to sit. I have already demolished my matcha. It's really good. I got the banana Brûlée. Highly recommend. It's the perfect blend of sweetness, and the matcha is really, really good in it. I think I'm slowly becoming a matcha girl. Anyway, let's get into the cheese toastie, and specifically Kimcheese toastie. I'm excited to try it. Mm. It's like the perfect salt-sweet combination. It's really good. I love a salted cookie and chocolate. Anything is a yes from me. Love the pretzels. You can see little flecks of sea salt in there. Good cookie.